the most important skill in this role is attention to detail. As a factory worker, it requires me to be very attentive to very precise measurement in scale, down to the millimeters or point millimeters. It's important because when we take measurement at the location and coming back to the factory, that's a one time. We don't go once again to the location and take measurement once again. So when we can get down to making doors and wardrobes to the nearest measurement, it allows us to just take one trip going back there and then install right away. So that is a very great quality to have in my role. Being able to show your potential employers that you are attentive to detail, you are accurate in your measurement, you are able to work safely would be the two key qualities in the role that I have, because we work with machines all the time, and if you're not safe, at the end of the day, it could cause a lot to the factory and to self as well. So that's one main important quality to have as factory workers. Personally, would think that it's a personal growth instead of a role sort of a promotion, because it's experience over the years. You learn to craft this, to work this, to make this, and then you get better at it throughout the years. Obviously, you can go to more trade schooling to get more qualified and get a higher opportunity of being paid higher. But at the end of the day, it comes down to how better you are throughout the years. You can make more products in an hour, and higher quality products in the next hour. So it's the ability to craft, to be able to hone your craft would be a personal growth that I could see.